Now, we have a new protocol that will be coming to the Solana blockchain entitled Panda Swap. As you can see here, Panda is here to revolutionize trading on Solana. Their goal is to take over Radium, Jupiter, whatever's there currently. And we're not even going to get into trying to navigate through Radium. All right, so you know the norm. I do a brief run through of the white paper. We'll go to the website. We'll check the socials. We'll check on the price, and that'll do it. Let's engage. So PandaSwap white paper. So go to the intro. Panda powers the community of PandaSwap, the most innovative decentralized exchange on Solana, more than just a token. This is the native currency which underpins the Panda ecosystem and community. We aim to be the number one DEX on the Solana network and have identified a huge gap in the market by addressing the shortcomings of all, please understand, of all the other exchanges on the network. So that's Jupiter, Solar, I can't remember what one of the other Solar, Radium. Yeah. Our advanced design has unraveled performance in fostering liquidity, maximizing yield, incubating new projects, and delivering a seamless experience for users. PandaSwap will redefine utility in the Solana meme space. Of course, let's go into what is PandaSwap. PandaSwap is an automated moneymaker, automated market maker designed on Solana, which utilizes a central limit order book to execute lightning fast trades, shared liquidity, and new features for earning yield. That's what I'm talking about. You know, it's all about the DPI. Why is PandaSwap better than the competition? Other AMM, decentralized exchanges, and decentralized finance protocols are only able to access liquidity from their own pools and do not have access to the central order book. Also, alternative platforms operate on other blockchains such as ETH, where transactions are slower and gas fees are high. Oh, we already know. PandaSwap offers a few key advantages. Faster and cheaper. Like I said, just remember, this is your job to go through the white paper. I'm going to breeze through and I'm not going to sit here and read every little bit. So PandaSwap offers three key features. Faster and cheaper, centralized order book for broader liquidity, and trading utility. Trade and swap. PandaSwap's features allows two tokens to be simultaneously exchanged from liquidity pools while also allowing for more advanced trading features such as limit orders. Earn trading fees. Liquidity pools on Panda allows users to earn trading fees for each swap going through that pool. There's that DPI. Earn Panda. There are a number of ways to earn Panda tokens through farming liquidity pools and staking. Of course, you're going to have the swap. PandaSwap is light years ahead of the competition, as well as being faster and cheaper. Then it goes into how to swap. Then they got the stop loss limit. It will enable traders to buy and sell automatically without the need to constantly check the prices. This assures that the investors can trade safely within their own risk tolerance. That's nice. Minimum received is the fewest amount of tokens a user will receive on a trade. Price impact is the difference between the market price and the estimated execution price based on the size of the trade. Then your slippage tolerance. Then liquidity. You have the concentrated liquidity market makers. If the price moves, okay, so this one is the one with the range, of course, because it's concentrated. So the concentrated liquidity market makers pool enables users to provide liquidity and to choose a specific range at which liquidity is active for trades. This improves the liquidity depth in the current price, which translates to better prices and lower price impacts on swaps. Then, of course, if the price moves out of range, a position will no longer actively trade or earn fees. In a standard AMM pool, if the price of the token rises, it means that the users are trading the quote token for the base token. Therefore, the pool and LP now have more of the quote token and less of the base token. Now, with the concentrated liquidity market makers, the CLMMs, work in the same way. If the price trades below the position's minimum price, the position will then be comprised of 100% of the base token. If the price trades above the max price, then the position will sell the base token and be 100% comprised of the quote token. Then it goes into the liquidity pools. When the users add to the pool, they will receive liquidity provider tokens or LP tokens. For example, if the user deposited Panda and USDC into the pool, they will receive the Panda USDC, RLP, requested liquidity. I've never seen an R in there before. This right here, this is a bit different. It's just normally a liquidity pool token. Then the tokenomics. The project name, of course, Panda, symbol Panda, decimal 9. Contract owner has been renounced. Launch date was the 21st of March. Total supply, 888,888,888. Then there's the fee of 0.03 that is done on the trades, and 0.2% of that goes back to the LP pool, and 0.03 of that goes back to Panda. 0.05 goes to the project development, 0.02 goes to the LP holders' rewards. Then it goes into security, and then Panda's liquidity token. Oh, shoot. Okay, it takes me right out to the website, which was next. All right. Of course, I will have the links in the description as always. All right. So we are now at pandaswap.io, Solana's next groundbreaking swap. And you can see here as it's flashing through. So I'm assuming, okay, so it's going to be mobile in the Apple Store as well as Google Play Store. So let's look at this little video real quick. So next groundbreaker build for traders. Easy to use. Add your liquidity. Create pools. And earn rewards. The hottest Solana coins on the go. Swap with Panda. Okay, we're here for that. Then we just went about what Panda's doing. Swap Panda. The liquidity and the tax. We went over the liquidity in the white paper, the objective. Panda tackles the liquidity hurdles encountered by entities like Fluxbeam by facilitating token generation on platforms including Radium. It grants creators the flexibility to add taxes, thereby boosting liquidity and fostering growth within the ecosystem. Then you have some upcoming initiatives. Panda is not only dedicated to nurturing liquidity and expanding its ecosystem, but it also sets to delve into staking prospects. Yes. Moreover, the development of PandaSwap is on the horizon. A decentralized exchange, akin to PancakeSwap, but specifically designed for the Solana ecosystem. Then it goes into the mission statement. Panda is dedicated to promote financial inclusion, sparking innovation, and empowering communities within the Solana network. Our goal is to establish a dynamic token framework that supports effortless transaction, boosts liquidity, and nurtures a thriving environment of decentralized applications, or dApps, and financial services. Back to Solana's future projects, token distribution, we already went over that. Zero tax. Enjoy fee-free transactions on the Panda ecosystem for smooth and cost-effective wealth engagement. Of course, the socials. If you are going to be an investor in the PandaSwap protocol, please be engaged with any or all of the social media. I know it's a lot to be doing, but you need to know what's going on with your investment. You have Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, let's take a look at the current price. So as you can see, the current price of Panda is 0.009419 at this current time. There's a lot of holders. There's 8,265 holders today while I'm making this video. That's a lot of holders for the token. And especially due to the fact that Panda is barely a month old. So it's almost 1.5 months old, as you can see right here on the right. Okay, we can go out to X or Twitter, whatever you want to use. So PandaSwap, Solana's next groundbreaking swap. PandaSwap transforming Solana's trading with lightning fast DEX swap. Join us to shape the decentralized trading future on Solana. We definitely need it, because I know when I'm trying to do some transactions on Radium, it's just to load your wallet in there takes time. Anyway, let's go here to the post. So these are the latest ones. Oh, now this is new too, with the gold seal. See, as it's here, big shout out to X and Verified for getting us the gold badge. This is a major milestone on our roadmap in building our brand. Loving the shine on our profile and authenticity it gives us amongst other projects. Let's keep this hype going in Pandas. the gold badge is something different, because I know maybe the gold badge goes for protocols and businesses or something, and then the blue is for the people. But that's pretty significant. Then here, of course, you see the teddy bear. Then you can see where Panda's at. Right here, they're trending on Coin Market Cap. Then, of course, we're now trending on Dex Tools app. Here, Panda went live on MEXC officially yesterday, which was, well, at the time for the video, which was the 25th of April. This is another huge step forward on the project and will bring great exposure to us in the medium term. Today, we are trending number 4 in the world on CoinMarketCap above Bitcoin. Also, how do you like our other gold tick? Then they go into that. Yeah, you can see, you see Panda sitting on top of Bitcoin. There it goes right there. This is right here. You see this right here with the pointers at? We are live on MEXC, the radium killer. Okay, today's the day that went live on MEXC. There's a Kickstarter. Okay, as you can see in the official MEXC tweet, as well as launching on their exchange this Wednesday, we're also doing a Kickstarter airdrop of $50,000. Why is a Kickstarter such a big deal? Well, a lot of new tokens list, but they will give Panda an edge to stand out from the crowd this coming week. The $50,000 airdrop will encourage MEXC traders to take a closer look at Panda swap and join in, generating maximum hype. And here's the real kicker. The airdrop is in USDT, not Panda tokens. That's innovative. This means rewards paid out cannot be used to crash our floor. That's what I'm talking about. Those are the kind of ingenuity and ideas and forward thinking that your team needs to think about. You don't want to do anything that are going to affect in a negative way those 8,000 holders that are holding that token, including myself. Okay, I'm not going to go through all the socials, but as always, definitely get into the socials so you know what's going on and you can stay comprised of what's going on. Like I say, that's why I always say be engaged. Be engaged with whatever protocol you're in. If you're not going to be an investor in the protocol, then you don't need to even waste your time following them. But if you are, then you do. But I think that's about it. We went over the white paper. We went over the website. So the biggest thing now, we're just in the lull right now until the DEX launches. I'm excited about it because I know I do a lot of trading and everything and staking and farming on the radium because we really don't have no other option out there. But this is PandaSwap is just what we need. So as always, this is for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to share information on PandaSwap with you so that you can know exactly what's going on. So as always, the links will be in the description. So get in where you fit in. And remember that this is an individual endeavor. Always do what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. Like I say, it's coming. I'm excited for it. I know they're going to have all kind of great ingenuity and forward-thinking ideas, and this is just what we need to get ready for this bull run. Because radium is not ready for the bull run. This is just what we need. So all I ask is that you please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of my legends, do what you do. Stay engaged.